Space, an endless frontier filled with wonders, mysteries, and facts that challenge our understanding of the universe. In today's video, we'll explore some of the most fascinating and mind-bending facts about space that will leave you in awe. So, let's blast off into the cosmos. Let's start with something close to home, or rather, something that travels far from it. Did you know that a NASA spacesuit costs around $12 million? That's right, these suits are engineering marvels, designed to withstand the harshest conditions of space. Most of the cost goes into the backpack and control module, which keep astronauts alive by providing oxygen, regulating temperature, and removing carbon dioxide. Imagine this. You're in space and you spill some water. On Earth it would flow and spread, but in space, the water forms little floating droplets. Without gravity, liquids can't flow like they do here. So instead they just float around in little bubbles, defying the way we usually see water behave. Now let's talk about time, specifically on Venus. If you were standing on the surface of Venus and somehow surviving the scorching heat, you'd experience the slowest day ever. A single day on Venus lasts 225 Earth days. That's longer than its year, which is just about 225 Earth days too. Talk about a long wait for the weekend. Moving on to our own solar system, here's a mind-blowing fact. The Sun makes up over 99% of all the mass in our solar system. All the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets combined don't even come close. This immense mass is what gives the Sun its powerful gravity, holding everything in its orbit. And speaking of massive things, Jupiter's Great Red Spot is an enormous storm that's been raging for centuries. But did you know it's shrinking? Once large enough to fit 3 Earths, the storm has been gradually getting smaller over the years. Scientists are still trying to figure out why. Contrary to popular belief, space isn't completely silent. While it's true that sound waves can't travel through the vacuum of space, electromagnetic waves can. NASA has actually recorded these waves, which create eerie, ghostly sounds when converted into audio. So while you wouldn't hear anything with your ears, space does have its own kind of music. Here's something to ponder. About 73% of the universe is made up of dark energy. This mysterious force is causing the universe to expand at an accelerating rate. Dark energy, along with dark matter, makes up most of the universe. Things we can't see but know they're there, pulling the strings of the cosmos. Ever wondered how long those famous footprints on the moon will last? Well, without wind, water, or plate tectonics to erode them, those footprints are likely to remain for around 100 million years. The moon is a time capsule, preserving the marks of human exploration. And when we look up at the night sky, we're only seeing a tiny fraction of the stars out there. The universe contains so many stars that we simply can't count them all. Estimates suggest there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the Earth's beaches. Think Mount Everest is tall? Think again. The tallest mountain in our solar system is Olympus Mons on Mars, standing at a staggering 21 kilometers, or 13 miles high, about 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Mars definitely takes the crown when it comes to mountains. Bonus fact: the universe is expanding every single day. Galaxies are moving away from us, and the space between them is growing. This expansion started with the Big Bang, and it's still going on today, taking the universe into an unknown future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.